Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about data driven test using scenario outline. Whenever you are using for data driven test using for scenario outline means we can able to immediately remember for our Cucumber framework or test environment Cucumber framework there is a scenario outline, right? And we can able to use scenario outline and example, and this example values we can able to provide there and we can able to verify those values, correct? And those things also we can able to use into our karate framework scenario outline also it will support. And before going to this scenario outline, please go through that my previous video, that is data driven test using karate framework, that is called. Also I explain like table format of JSON creation and those things values we are going to verify. Those also I explained. Can go through that also. We can able to compare which one is the better option and can choose for those things. And here in the example I'm going to show you this is the format and this record is not working properly now. I removed. Okay, I'm just using for 108 only. Here in the scenario outline I provided for the path and username and ID, and this ID it will take here and it will work out, correct? And I'm taking for my copying that feature file and running PlayStation. And before running I'll show you for data driven previous video, and this is the format. I create a table format of the data and I provide the object of the table and I used for calling for get user details feature, and I specified that cats here means that ID we need to refer into that location, and matching purpose we are going to verifying that name IDs. Okay, in the same format, in the single scenario outline I created here, the background portion name, the same get user ID only, and example location I provide the ID. If I run same output, it will provide the same output. But here is the only thing is table format we created and calling for under future file. If you have multiple values, multiple times it will call and it will verify. And if you are using scenario outline, and the example location the past it is happen, okay, not required to see in the console also, and the same thing, but here we are providing that single location only, we are not going calling for another feature file, but here only we are calling for it using for examples and providing the ID, and we are verifying that here we are calling for the feature file where we are calling this feature file we are going to call, and we are providing for the value for that this reference value, and bit confusion but it will work out as expected, and this is also work out as expected, nothing different. Both are achieving for data driven framework future. That's it. Here is calling for another feature, here we are calling for inside the same thing, nothing different, but the both achieving for data driven framework future. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to share with friends and colleagues. Thank you.